welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is chicken steak. The chicken is fried to the golden perfection and topped with the creamiest gravy along with the velvety smooth mashed potatoes. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, let's make the marination for the chicken. To a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt. Give them a good mix. See that everything is well combined. I have taken 2 breast pieces, have given a slit into it. Now let's marinate the chicken pieces. Chicken breasts are considered as a must food for people who love to work out because it is loaded but full of proteins. So it is well marinated now, and squeeze half lemon and let's rest it at least for an hour. Heat a pan on medium flame, add oil and place the chicken on it. Cook on both the sides for 3 minutes. Once done, transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. Now let's make the sauce. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it melts, add 2 tablespoons of onion, finely chopped, and saute it for a few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and saute it. Add half tablespoon of pepper powder and let's mix them well. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and let's give them a good mix. Half teaspoon of tomato ketchup. I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mixed with water. Let's add the mixture into it and let's mix them well. Add salt. Allow the sauce to cook and thickens. Turn off the flame. This is the sauce for the chicken steak. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add butter and the veggies that are cut into strips and saute it for a few minutes. You can also use baby corn, green beans, bell pepper and mushrooms. Make mashed potatoes. I have taken 3 potatoes which are cooked and peeled. Let's mash it and transfer it to a strainer. Mash well with the back of the serving spoon. Okay, until we get a soft, smooth mash. Into this, add half a cup of milk and let's mix them well. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. On the flame and let's cook along with some salt. Cook it for a few minutes until they become thick. The creamy mashed potatoes are ready. Enjoy this amazing dinner with flavorsome chicken served with gravy and mashed potatoes and also with your favorite veggies. So please do try the recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the channel.